In this video, we will show you what to do if the brightness slider is not working or is grayed out on your Windows 11 computer. The first thing you need to do is right-click on the Start icon on the taskbar, then select Device Manager from the list. In this window, double-click on Monitors to expand it. Here, you will see a generic monitor or integrated monitor entry. Right-click on the first entry and select Disable Device. Then select Yes to confirm. Wait for some time. Then right-click on the same entry again and select Enable Device. If there is another entry, repeat this step to disable and re-enable it as well. After that, check if the brightness slider works. If the issue remains, go back to Device Manager again and double-click on Display Adapters. Here, right-click on the first entry. The name will be different depending on which graphics your computer is running. Select Uninstall device from the menu, then select Uninstall again to confirm. Your screen will now go blank for a second. Don't worry, it's perfect in normal. Now select the Action menu at the top and choose Scan for hardware changes. Wait for the graphics card to refresh and then restart your PC. After this, the brightness should start working again on your Windows 11 PC. If it does not, right-click on the Start icon on the taskbar again, and this time select Terminal Admin from the list. In this window, type the command shown on the screen: sfc /scan now. Then hit Enter. Wait for the scan to complete and then restart your laptop one more time. For that, the brightness problem will be solved on your Windows 11 computer. Let me know in the comments if this helped and subscribe to this channel for more such tips. Thanks for watching.